For the paperclip rings, I use the 28mm regular size paperclip. You need a round form, so a marker or a ring cone, and your tools. If you don't have paper clips, the best thing to use is stainless steel wire. This is 20 gauge. It's quite stiff, just like the paper clips. You can use 20 gauge tarnish resistant brass, tinned copper, or any half hard wire. And if you only have a softer wire, use a little thicker, like 18 gauge. We always start with opening up the paper clip with our flat pliers. You can do this by hand, but it's easier to do with the pliers. So just go slowly and pinch it along as you go. You just want to get it as straight as you can. So for the woman symbol, we'll just take the end with the tweezer nose pliers and bend it up to the back. Give it a little pinch. Then we'll hold it just at the end of the wire there and bend it across. And then we're going to put the tweezer nose pliers again, bend it over, push it down, and then again here, bend it to the back. And before we pinch it, we're just going to hold it and push it straight up, pinch that in, and then to do the circle, we're just going to take this and bend it to one side. We'll get our larger round pliers and just form our loop, however big you want it. And then take your ring cone or your marker, hold it, and bring it around. If the band's too big, just take your flat pliers, wiggle it back and forth, round it out, and then you can hold this with your pliers to adjust the ring band. Try to get the end to sit right underneath the circle there. And there you have your super cute woman symbol ring.